Lunar Classic price prediction today. You can see that Lunar Classic has always been on the downtrend. I've always talked about this in my video that if you're a Lunar Classic trader, you should wait for a while before buying. But if you're a day trader, you can always stay in a short position. You're gonna be making good profit. Now imagine you've been in a short position right from this day way down to the position where we are now. You would have made much more than 30 20% of your profits depending on the kind of leverage you're using as a day trader. But today we're going to be looking at Lunar Classic technically and see what has been happening. You can see that the market has been on the downtrend and it's been practically struggling. If we look at the 15 minutes chart, you can see that the market has been on the downtrend consistently. But that does not mean that Lunar Classic is still not a good asset to purchase. It's still a good asset to purchase. But let's look at our indicator and see where the market is actually going. Let's use the optimized trend tracker to look at the market. Now you can see that the optimized trend tracker is even indicating a sell in the Lunar Classic market, and I believe we've had more sells than buy in the market. That is why the market is coming down. Now it is worthy of note to understand that investors in the Lunar Classic market, the confidence is very low. It's very low. But Lunar Classic is going to pump up, but that is when the sell pressure has actually reduced. And how do we know the sell pressure has actually reduced? When the volume has dropped to a point where it's no longer dropping again. Let's look at the oscillating volume and see where it is at now in the 24-hour day frame. Now you can see that the trading volume is low. The market is consistently being sold, but you can check the trading volume using your market D and your normal volume indicator. This is not a market I will actually suggest anyone to go in actively or buy long. No, this is a market you have to wait for it to come down a bit and then buy and hold. Now, this is not a good market to actually go and be scalping in a long position. If you want to scalp at all, it should be in a short position. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just a guy in his own space saying what he knows based on what he has studied so far. So if you want to trade, make sure you do your own research before going into any trade whatsoever. So if we're looking at the market now, the market is strongly in the downtrend, but let's look at the 15 minutes chart and see where the market is actually headed. And right now, we cannot categorically say where the market is going to push up to, but it is very much likely that the market is going to crash down much more. We can see this position here, this 0.000850. It is very likely that the market is going to crash up to here in the long term, maybe next week or next 2 weeks, which is about where it crashed to and then pushed up again and then continually crashing. Now in this 15 minutes chart, you can still see that the market is also still crashing. The market was even down in this position. I said it's going to come up to a couple of days ago, but now it is up and it's still going to come down. So the market is very much wobbling. So if you're going to be trading in this market, please don't forget to dollar cost average and always make sure you study the market trend. If you like this content, please smash the like and the subscribe button and do turn on your post notification for more. I'm Austin and this is Coinspace. You can see that the market is actually still crashing. Thank you for sticking around.